Hey there, I hope all are fine here. Welcome back once again on my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share you some common use vocabularies that you can use in your daily life conversation and make more advanced. So here we go. The first one vocabulary we have the conventional. The meaning of the conventional is पारंपरिक. जो चीजें पुरानी प्रथाओं से हमारे देशों में चली आ रही हैं, that is called the conventional, which is followed by our ancestors. There is no any logic behind it. There is no any intent to the scientific reasons. That is called the conventional. So here the meaning of the conventional in English based on or in accordance with what is generally done or believed. So whatever happened with our ancestors previously, that so they be followed by our ancestors, there is no any kind of fact scientific reasons behind that. That is the conventional. In another way you can also say the traditional. So here the example: conventional behavior, attitudes, clothes. Conventional behavior, attitude and clothes. Clothes, that always we follow the some conventional clothes whenever we get into any ceremony in our country, the ceremony in our religions. That is the conventional clothes. Conventional medicines and farming too is there, because conventional medicines farming is based on across the world. There are the so many conventional medicines and farming in their religions, in their continent. So that is the conventional medicines, and for the example is the ayurveda is a conventional medicines and farming. That is the home remedy too, you can say that in another way. The second one we have the a conventional wedding. Disapproving or find his art dull and conventional. So conventional wedding in across the world, they in their countries having the different kind of conventional weddings, conventional weddings according to their religions, according to their continent. That is called the conventional. The disapproving of fine his art dull and conventional. So the conventional dull and art dull and conventional, it means purane, outdated, and traditional art. That is called the conventional. The second one we have the benevolent. The benevolent, it means bhalai karne wala, who is a very kind hearted person and always help to each other, help to needy people. That is called the benevolent. So here the meaning of the benevolent is friendly, helpful, and kind. The second one, he was a benevolent old man and wouldn't hurt a fly. वो एक बहुत ज्यादा दयालु इंसान है और वो कभी भी बर्ड्स को हर्ट नहीं करता है. The second one we have the debilitated. The debilitated means दुर्बलता. दुर्बलता it like तुम्हें कोई अंदर से कोई चीज कमजोर कर रही है. Make someone weak and inform from inner side. That is called the debilitated. Here the example: chemotherapy exhausted and debilitate him. So chemotherapy is like if you have the very strong addictions, whether it is alcohol or something else. So if you want to get rid of those issues, get rid of that problem. So chemotherapy is one only the solution of that issue. So during the chemotherapy, there are you having to suffer a lot. You having to like so much struggle to get rid of that issues. So here they are talking about the chemotherapy exhausted and debilitated him. The second one we have the revelation. The revelation is rahasyodghatan, a surprising and previously unknown fact, which is you never ever heard before that facts and you don't know about that fact before. That is the revelation. Here the example: the fact of making something known that was secret, or a fact that is made known. That is called the revelation, a moment of revelation. Here, the one another example is his wife divorced him after the revelation that he was having an affair. The second one we have the uniformity. The meaning of the uniformity is ekrupta, overall sumnesses, homogeneity, or regularity. That is called the ekrupta. Whenever you just listen the one side of fact and without listen to other side of the fact, you just take a decision after listen the one side of the fact. That is the uniformity. When you are not ready to listen the other side of the fact. So here the example: we do not seek to impose total uniformity or every single decision that is made. So कभी भी किसी भी एक साइड को सुन के आप जब कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द यूनिफॉर्मिटी. यू हैव टू लिसन द टू वेज ऑफ द थिंग्स, टू वेज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स, टू वेज ऑफ द इश्यूज एंड टेक अ डिसीजन ऑन दैट based on the issues. So the second one we have, he apologized for the bland uniformity of the hotel. एक ही साइड को सुन के अगर उसने कोई डिसीजन लिया है, देन ही हैड टू अपोलोजाइज बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट मे बी दैट प्रूव्ड ऑलरेडी रॉन्ग. द सेकेंड वन वी हैव द मोडेस्ट. मोडेस्ट इट्स मामूली, कोई भी मामूली चीज का होना. मीनिंग इज अनअमेजिंग और moderate in the estimation of one's abilities or achievement. There is no any amazing facts or not any kind of incredible things, just only the simple, that is called the modest. Here the example, there has been a modest improvement, recovery in housing conditions for the poor. So this called the modest. So I hope you will use these vocabularies in your daily life conversation and make more advanced. And one more thing, if you want to learn very quickly that those vocabularies which I have shared here and which I kept sharing here, so you always put down the words in your copy and just try to make your own sentence every day, and use those vocabularies in your daily life conversation so that you can learn very easily and in a very effectively way. So thank you to watching this video. Stay tuned.